Okay, here guys is my recording of live data. Right now engine is fully warmed up at idle. This is the first page. Everything is pretty much as I told you in the forum. Okay, let me scroll down to the next page so you can get another reading from the O2 sensors, temperature. Okay, and let's go back to the previous one. As I said, if we can see the reading for the O2 sensors, the precat is not stable. Some is going to negative, positive. One of them is even showing 0% right now. Okay, let's go back to the previous window. I will try to raise the RPM to around 1500 or 1700, where I had the most noticeable feeling of this problem. Let's raise a bit more. Okay, we're right around there now. Okay, as you can see, the math readings are pretty stable. Okay, let me scroll to the second page so we can check the O2. Okay, now you can see that one of the O2 sensors doesn't give anything at 0%. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Okay, let me try to raise it up a little bit higher to let's say 3000 RPM. Right around here. Okay. You can see that around 3000 RPM. Pretty much the same thing. Let's go to the previous window so I can check other data. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, I'll try to. So that's for now. That's all for now. I'm waiting for your answers on whether what I have filmed is normal for the 540i. Waiting for the answer. Thanks so much, guys.